The Certis C1-30 Thermal Printer should be cleaned every 1,500 adult wristband prints to ensure optimal performance. Both the app and the web page can tell you how many wristbands have been printed. To clean the printer, lightly moisten a soft cloth, paper towel, or swab with isopropyl alcohol and clean the outer surfaces and the print head. Never spray cleaning liquid directly on the LED indicators or pour liquid directly on the device. You can also remove the carrier and with safety glasses on, spray compressed air on all visible areas inside the printer to remove accumulated dust and debris.